First, let's download some free Lightroom presets. Go to freepresets.com. Click the selected preset. Then click Start Download Now. Inside the downloaded zip file, extract the XMP file. Let's import an image to Adobe Lightroom. Go to File, Import Photos and Videos. Navigate to your image, select it and click Import. Double-click it. Go to the Develop tab. On the left, click the plus icon, then select Import Presets. Select the XMP preset file, then select Import. On the left, unfold and click your new preset to apply it. Click below History to undo or see the before and after. All done. Please subscribe.